wondered how our everyday actions like sharing snacks, buying lunch, or helping a friend are actually connected to economy?
Girl, what even our economic situation? Are we supposed to memorize at all? Girl, chill. You actually experience them every day, like paying for snacks and sharing lunch and more. Wait, seriously? What's economic?
That's right. Economic institutions are all around us, helping, sharing, buying, and balancing. Today, we show you how they work and why they matter in our society.
Let's bring them to life through simple yet meaningful scenes that show you how economics and actions happen every day.
Girl, can I borrow your pen? Sure, no problem. Thank you. Here, I got your gift. Thank you for helping me earlier.
That's reciprocity, giving or helping without money involved, but with trust and kindness will be returned. In the Philippines, we call it utang na loob. It strengthens friendship and builds community even in small things. Good morning. Here's your financial aid.
Thank you so much, po. This will help us to buy school supplies.
This is called transfer. When the government gives money for benefits without expecting anything in return.
Classmates, let's gather contributions for the public building balances. Okay.
I hope this will help.
Give this to the barangay to distribute them to the families who need them.
Okay.
That's redistribution. Collecting goods or money from many people and giving them back fairly to those who need it. It's what happens during relief operation, community pantries, or when the taxes are used for public projects.
One chip this. That will be 20 pesos.
This is market transaction, the buying and selling of goods using money. It's the common economic exchange we do daily. In the canteen, sari-sari stores, or malls, market transactions depend on supply and demand, which keep the economic growth going. Good morning, ma'am. Can we get of course our new school supply shop?
Yes, we'll give you small business grant and class discount.
Thank you, ma'am. This will help us to hire new workers.
This is the market state. When the government and the market work together, the government creates rules, gives supports, and ensures fairness, while businesses help the economy grow through jobs and services.
These five economic institutions shape the way our society works.
Reciprocity teaches us kindness and trust.
Answer shows that government cares for citizens. Redistribution reminds us to share to people who's in need.
Market transactions connect buyers and sellers every day.
And market states keep our economy fair and balanced. When people, markets, and governments cooperate, we build a stronger and kinder and more equal community. Our performance on the five economic institutions help us understand how this system works in real life. We saw that economic is not just about money, but also about kindness, sharing, and cooperation. Each scene from reciprocity to market states showed how people and the government depend on each other to keep society balanced. Doing this activity also strengthened our teamwork and made learning more fun and meaningful.